It's early, early in the morning. You see the mountains so clearly. The birds are chirping. They all are awake. Hmm? And I can hear the cocks crowing. Do you hear them? The wind is so pleasant. The sun has still not come out. But the moon is nowhere to be seen. The moon has gone away. It's still not very bright. I hear the birds chirping. Maybe they are having their breakfast. Or maybe they are taking a shower. Or maybe they are just telling their mommy, no mommy, it's too early to wake up. We need to see. We really need to sleep more. You don't know. Or maybe they are getting dressed to leave their homes, to go to work, to find some food. Or maybe some are getting ready to go to school. You don't know. Yes? So it's quite early in the morning. You can see, children, the mountains are so clearly visible because it is daytime, there is light. And see, in the night we couldn't see these mountains, but now we can see them so clearly. And I think so this is where the sun is going to come up from. This is where I can see so much light there. That means the sun is going to rise from here. But let's wait and watch. Oh, now I can see the sun. It's rising. It's rising from the east, from behind the mountains. Wow, that's going to be fun. And see, it's so much bright. Okay, tell me, Uwais, how is the sun?
Bright and clear.
It's clear, it's bright, and
It's a ball.
it's a ball. Okay, it's like a ball. And
And
it's coming up, it's rising up, yes. And you can see the sun rays also. You can see the sun rays, always. Come on.
Hi friends.
You know, today Uwais has got a friend. And who is the friend, you know? It's Uwais's shadow. Hi, see? It's saying hello to Uwais. And with both hands. See, Uwais is saying, oh, that's smart. And will it walk with you? Will it walk with you? Yes, it's walking with you. It's walking with you. And this shadow we see only in the daytime. In the night time, do you see your shadow? No, because there is no sun. Okay. And can you do a few steps with your friend? A few actions? Come little bit this side, dear. More? Yeah, and now you can do any actions? Oh, it's doing exactly like you. It's doing exactly like you. Wow, your friend loves you. It copies you. What is the name of your friend?
Shadow.
Shadow. Okay. And the sun is right up here. Oh my god, I cannot see the sun. It's so hot. I cannot see and it's so bright. I need to go down again. Okay, say bye to your shadow. But it will not leave you till the sun is here. Wherever you go, the shadow is going to be with you. It only goes away in the night when there is the... So many birds on this tree. See, there is one. They are all perched in this tree. Maybe this is their house. They are all living in here. Yeah, because it's going to be night, so they all have come back home. This bird is not going home. Why is it so? Oh my god, she should rush back. She left. There, she's going home. I think that is her house. Her house is in that tree. She went in that tree. So maybe her house is in that tree. Okay. because I saw her flying in there. As it is getting dark, the lights are on. Do you see that? Now everybody is going home. Birds are going back home. Animals are going back home. Everybody is going back home now. Do you see the sun now? It's nearly setting. And you see the sky also is not as bright as it was during the afternoon. Now it's getting darker. You see? Now it's getting darker. Now you see the sun is behind the trees. Can you see it? There it is. So it is now setting down. Soon it will be dark and it will be night. You can see this? The sun has set. Now you see the sky. Now you see the changes in the sky. The sun is not completely set. It has actually disappeared from here. So it is now at the horizon. It's soon going to set. You see the sky? The sky is getting darker, and then the moon is also there. See, this is the moon. And it's getting darker. So now we are seeing how the day is changing into night. You see children, it is dark. It is so dark. Only where there is light, you can see things. But if there is no light, you cannot see anything. There is Uwais in front of the camera. But can you see Uwais? No. Even my Cookie is here. But I cannot see Cookie. Yes, but I can see the moon. But you know, the moonlight is not so strong. You cannot see everything in the moonlight. But in the sunlight, you can see everything. Do you see the moon there? It is quite weak. The light is quite weak. Even the moon does not have its own light. You know, it takes some light from the sun. That is why you can see the moon. And the moonlight is quite weak. But the sun is a powerful lamp. You can see everything when the sun is there. So that is why you need to put on lights. You need to put on lights. And you see, now we are going to put on the light. And then you will soon see everything. You have to put on the lights. And then soon, see, I put on this light. And then I will put on the other bigger lights. And then you can at least see something in this light. But what about the other lights? Oh, there is light there. Wow, I can see something. Wow, now there is light everywhere. Lights are on, the lights are there, and I can see my Cookie also. But where is Cookie? Where is Cookie gone? Oh, there she's sitting on my table. You see? In the night, if you need to see things, you need to have lights. See, because of the light behind, you can see things in the night. Otherwise, you cannot see anything. See, the night sky is so dark. You can just see a few stars, a very few stars.